Let's learn another Spanish expression. Hacer caso. Hacer caso. Hi everyone! Today we're gonna learn another Spanish expression. The Spanish expression of the day is hacer caso. Hacer caso. This literally means to make a case. Yeah, this is another weird one. As an expression, hacer caso means to pay attention. In order to use this expression, you need to know the conjugation of the Spanish verb hacer. Hacer. Now let's see a few examples using this expression. Hazme caso. Hazme caso. Hay que hacer caso a las señales de tránsito. Hay que hacer caso a las señales de tránsito. Miguel no le hace caso al jefe. Miguel no le hace caso al jefe. Mi novio no me hace caso. Mi novio no me hace caso. That's sad. El niño hace caso a lo que digo. El niño hace caso a lo que digo. That's very weird. Usually kids do not pay attention. Okay, that was the Spanish expression of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to leave more examples down below using hacer caso. Subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. If you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel on smlessons.com. I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below as well. You can also support the channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!